Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro and the AirPods, and I will show you how you can connect this to the device. So at the first you have to open the charging case of the AirPods, and right now we have to rotate them like that and click and hold this back button to move them into the pairing mode. So let's make it. As you can see, it's blinking, so we have to release that key, then move to the notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon to enter the Bluetooth settings, and when they pops on the list we have to tap on them. Let's click, tap OK, and as you can see, it's finished. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.